Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start with the essentials so the transfer can actually begin. First, confirm Bluetooth is enabled and the two devices are paired and visible to each other. Pairing verifies the link layer. Next, move them closer, 1 to 2 meters, and remove obvious interference like metal or other radios because signal issues cause dropouts. Once done, free storage space and close background apps that hog CPU or I/O. Then reboot each device to clear transient Bluetooth stack errors before retrying. Now you'll address the middle, settings and protocols that commonly fail. Make sure you're using the proper file transfer profile, OP or FTP, or the device maker's app for big files because generic shares can time out. If transfers fail, split the file into smaller parts or compress into a ZIP to reduce protocol overhead. Also, disable power-saving modes and Bluetooth scanning optimizations. Reset the Bluetooth cache or adapter in settings, and toggle airplane mode briefly to force a clean radio reinitialization. Finish the job by confirming the file arrived intact and cleaning up the connection. After transfer, open the file or compare a checksum to ensure no corruption. That explains whether retransmits are needed. If problems persist, update device firmware or Bluetooth drivers because bug fixes often resolve stubborn failures. Then test with a different device to isolate hardware versus software. If nothing helps, forget the pairing and repair, or switch to a wired cable or Wi-Fi transfer as a reliable fallback. This single trouble.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.